Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about the secret of having a red velvet cake. When I mean red velvet, pure red cake, shining red cake. Today, if you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, just click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video, so that any day I post any of my wonderful video, you will also enjoy it as well. In this channel, we'll tutor you how to bake, how to decorate different types of cake, small chops, pastry, and many more. So if you're first time, just click the subscribe button, subscribe to be getting a lot of our new videos. For my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Okay, today's topic is talking about the secret of red velvet cake. The first thing I'll be talking about is the right ingredients. Make sure you're using the right ingredients. For you mixing a vanilla cake and you add red color and you call it a red velvet cake, it is not a red velvet cake. Red velvet cake constitutes a whole lot. At least your buttermilk needs to be there, cocoa powder needs to be there, so many other things, but make sure you're working with the right ingredients. The next thing is right measurement. Make sure that you have your measuring cups as a baker, you have your measuring spoon as a baker, you have your scale. So it's very important you have the accurate measurements before you start baking, so that your cake will not turn out to be something else. Some people bake and instead of being red, it will turn brown. And the next thing we'll be looking at is using less cocoa powder. Don't add much cocoa powder. I don't know how you mix your own red velvet cake, but I believe your recipe in any red velvet cake recipe don't need much cocoa powder. In case you don't have any red velvet recipe, you can check on my description box below. I'll be putting down my red velvet cake recipe so that you will try it out. It is so wonderful and you will enjoy and thank me later. The next thing I'll be talking about is using red velvet powder. The next thing is using red velvet powder. Red velvet powder is very, very important. A lot of people go ahead to buy different liquid food color, powdered food color. Food color is not red velvet powder. There is a very big difference between red velvet powder and food color. As you can see there, this is what I call red velvet powder. It comes in big container, and it also comes in a little container so that anybody can afford it. And also the next thing you need to know is egg yellow. Some of you don't know about it, but this is the little secret about this red velvet cake. For an example, if you're mixing fondant, you add a red food color to a white fondant, you will notice you will keep adding it as if the red is not shining out. If you drop a little yellow, you will see the red will shine so bright and fine. So when you're mixing your red velvet cake, after adding your red velvet powder, please add a little egg yellow. There is an egg yellow powder in the market. You can get it in a cake shop. As you can see, this is the egg yellow. You can buy it in a cake shop. They even sell in small quantity, 50 or 100 naira. You can add a little to your red velvet powder as you are mixing. You will see a very big difference. The next thing is lower your heat. Make sure you're baking with a low heat. Don't high your oven. It will make a whole mess in your cake. And the next thing is, make sure you're putting water under your oven tray. It's very, very important. When you're baking, make sure you have water under your oven tray. It helps to control the heat that goes direct to the cake, at least to reduce it to a point. And the last thing I'll be talking about is don't go far when you are baking. Please don't leave your oven. Don't go far from your oven when you're baking. Don't put your cake in the oven and you start going to market or to your neighbor house or to discuss with your friend. Make sure you're close to your oven to control and know what is going on there. It will help you to get a good red velvet cake. When you apply all this, I believe you will have a yummy, reddish, shiny red velvet cake. Thank you for watching this. Don't forget to like my video.